Yes. Hi everyone. I am SS Kiran. I am going to explain how to plot sine waveform in Matlab and Python. Okay. Let's start with the Matlab programming in online compiler. This is one of the best online compiler, that is the octaveonline.net. I will share in description. At the same time, I will paste here. Just verify this software. Fine. Octaveonline.net. Now I will start the programming part. Okay. Anyway, in Matlab, every program starts with CLC. Okay. Every program starts with CLC. This is helpful to clear the command prompt. At the same time, if you want to clear workspace, you have to use this clear all. If you want to clear any figure windows, just use close all. Okay. Now, for if you want to plot sine waveform, so you have to mention t range. Okay, that is t equal to 0 column from 0.01. Okay, column then 2. Okay, this is the range of t. Now x equal to sine, that is sine 2 pi, so 2 multiplication asterisk pi multiplication with t. Okay, so if you want to draw sine waveform, very simple command, that is plot. Okay, within parenthesis you have to write t comma x. Okay, then close this statement. Now you have to save this button for every time, so use this save file. Then you have to run this code. Okay, 1 second, you can observe this sine plot with amplitude 1. Okay, anyway, I will plot same sine waveform in Python also. Okay, now this is one of the best compiler. Okay, I will share this link in my description. At the same time, I have provided here also. Just please go through it. Okay, now, okay, this is one of the best trunket software to execute or run any type of Python program. Okay, all packages are inbuilt in this trunket. Okay, if you want to draw sine plot, first you have to import. Some numpy library in our program. So import numpy as np. Okay, then you have to import Matlab library with respect pyplot also. Okay, very simple programming, just you have to concentrate, then it will be very easy to understand. Based on this understand levels, you can analyze any type of plots in this Python program. Okay, that is Matlab library dot pyplot. This is one of the best packages in Python. So as plot. Okay, now as same as you have already seen in Matlab. So we mentioned some range here. So that we can check t equal to 0 column 0.01. So same, you have to mention range here. So t equal to np dot range. Okay, this is one of the best keyword for mention range. Okay, so that is from how much, you can take anything, no issue, 0 comma 10 with ranging from 0.1 to 1. Okay, if you do more practice, then it will be very easy to take any type of range in Matlab and Python. Okay, now same as it is Matlab programming, you have to close with like semicolon. Then next you have to type x equal to 2. multiplication with NP. Here, why should I mention 2? Here I have mentioned amplitude. If you don't want any amplitude 2, then no need to type 2. Otherwise, leave it. Okay, first I will take without amplitude. Then I will take NP dot sine. Okay, sine with brackets I have mentioned T. Okay, this is one function. Now I will close this statement with using of the semicolon, right? Then one more command, plot dot plot, okay, with respect to t comma x. Okay, I will close with semicolon. Now I would like to show sine wave, so I have used following command, plot dot show. Fine. Now I will run this code. Just you can observe there is a chance to get exact sinusoidal waveform in Python also. Okay, I will verify this code with the help of this view result. Yes. So here this should be connecting to server. Just wait a couple of minutes. Yes, this is the sine waveform in Python. Okay, here this is sine waveform in Matlab. Fine. So every time this should be refreshed. There is no issue. Okay, I will come back to Python. Okay, now if you want to mention any title names like that, one second, I will show in Matlab. Then it will be very easy to understand. Okay, for example, if I want to mention title, there is a small command here. So title is sine wave. Fine, one second. Every time it should be attempting to reconnect. No issue. Sine wave parallel. I will write this code. Okay. Then anyway, I will copy this code for future reference. Now I will do save. Okay. Now I will do run. Okay. Once I will save this one, then what happened here? Some timing is there. After that, it will show with help of sine wave also. Okay, one second, it will show. Okay, just wait. Why? Because every time it should be connecting. So because of this is not original, that's why every time it is connecting like this. At final, so same we can observe in the Python. Okay, one second, I will show in the Python programming. Okay, so in this Python, you have to mention, so small command, very simple, plot dot title, okay. Then plot dot title, just you have to mention the title of this waveform, that is sine wave. Okay, just you have to execute this one, okay. Then it will observe the sine wave waveform title. Okay, I will run this one. Fine. So this is one of the waveform. Just see here, the title is also observed, that is the sine wave. Anyway, I will once again recheck this one. There is no issue. I will do again. I will do refresh. Then there is a chance to reconnecting this system. Okay. Okay, these are all very easy to implement both sine wave in Matlab and Python also. Okay, now it will be open. Just a minute. You can observe very shortly sine waveform with respect to title. Okay, just wait 1 second. It will observe. Okay, I will minimize this one. Okay, what happened here? Some okay, this is the representation of the sine wave. Okay, we can also observe same in all the things, right? For example, if you want to do X label and Y label, everything we can observe in the Matlab also. Okay, now I will do a little bit extension of this one. So if you want to extend some labels, very simple, plot dot X label, plot dot X label, here I have mentioned, one second, I will take it, that is time. Okay, if you want to take plot dot y label, that is I will write here, that is amplitude. In x label, that is time. In y label, that is amplitude. Now again I will run this code. In this code we can observe the x label and y label. Okay, okay, if you want any grid, that part and some axis part, some more extension commands are there. I will complete as early as possible with simple commands. Okay, plot dot grid. Okay, if it is true, then which it is both. Okay, if you want y-axis with axis, this will be very helpful. Okay, then if it is both. Okay, if you want axis in between -2 +2, so very simple, plot dot axis h line of okay, y equal to 0. This is one of the command. Okay, then if you want to mention any color, then simply you can write with with inverted commas with respect of k. Okay, now I will now I will run the code. In this time you will expect a grid also. Okay, of respect to waveform. This is the exact waveform. If you want any change, if you want any change in the amplitude, very simple, just you have to write here 2. Okay, if you want to write here 2 with respect to asterisk or multiplication, now run here. Okay, in this time you can expect amplitude is 2. Okay, see here. So this is the way to represent both Matlab and Python to plotted sine waves. Okay, anyway, I think is it resolved this issue. Okay, I will check once again sample. Okay, now once again I will run this one. Okay, same here I will also do that. One program is called, just one couple of minutes, x label. One second, again it will be refreshed, no issue. Meanwhile I will write the code. Okay, then after that I will do refresh. Okay, in this x label I have mentioned time. Okay, now in y label I have mentioned amplitude. Okay, one second, in y label I have mentioned what is that amplitude. Okay, amplitude. Again I will copy this code, I will save, then I will save, I will do refresh. Okay, then it will come slowly, no issue. Meanwhile you have to observe this code in Python. Okay, okay, my main intention is we can easily plot in Python also for ECE students or electrical students, whoever interested to learn this programming, this Matlab programming in Python also. It is very easy platform. Then you people can encourage this one. Okay, I think this time server is so busy. He announced like that, so no issue. One second, I will copy this code, Control V, save, then I will run the code. Okay, in this time it will display the title and label, time, amplitude, all the things. Okay, one second, we can observe shortly of this waveform. Okay, so with respect this Matlab and Python, both are so easy, so we can easily understand plotting of these graphs. So once verify it, this is the waveform. If you want to download this waveform, so just you can use this one. and download.png. Otherwise, no need. If you want Python sine wave, just you can right click this one. Okay, automatically this image can save anywhere. Okay, keep watching. Thank you so much for your patience. I will update so many videos in Python at the same time Matlab also. Okay, in my description, I have mentioned one Matlab basics introduction about the Matlab. Okay, in future it will be very helpful for especially beginners. Okay, thank you so much.